pretty much here.
Okay, volume of this is called a cylinder shape. So you need to find in your formula sheet, you need to find the formula for that. So the formula would be 2, it's pi r squared. Pi r squared times the height. So that's pi times 2.5 squared times 9.6, which is, excuse me, 188.16 centimeter cube.
What?
Okay.
Can we do it
Wow.
here?
188.5? Because the 9 makes it 5.
150.
Okay, let me, just give me a second. I got 188.495. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Well, this is the formula in words. This is the formula that you have to use.
Oh.
Yeah. So you don't use the formula in words. So in this case, you have this says this or this, so you can use either. In this case, it will be one of these two.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. How about the surface area of that rectangular prism? What does the surface area of the rectangular prism tell?
It's area equal to 2 times width.
2.
With the height, right?
Yep.
Times height.
Plus length times width plus length times height.
So, length, width, height. It doesn't matter which letter is which, honestly. Height is the one that matters, but then length and width, it doesn't matter which one is L, which one is W. Sounds not, doesn't sound so good. Which one is a loser, which one is a winner? This is how it sounded to me. Okay, so W times H, so that's 4 times 7, right?
Right.
Plus 10 times 4.
Times
Plus
7 times
10 times 7. So 4 times 7 plus 40 plus 70, 138. What's a unit? Inches what?
Square. Square. Find the
Square. It's this area. So I took the formula, I wrote it down, have length, width, and height, and I replaced the width with its value, the height with its value, the length with its value, and then I did BEDMAS. BEDMAS tells me I have to do my multiplications first. Did that, added whatever is inside my bracket, then I multiplied by 2. Are we good with that? Okay.
So, Maya,
Yes.
how do we know, I guess the principle for finding out the final measurement will be from the first page here. So, because how would we know to apply inch cube?
Squared inch.
Square inch.
I mentioned that if it's an area, it's square.
Of this
Yeah.
one,
Volume, it's cube.
Okay.
Perimeter, it's the unit, right? No square, no nothing. Okay. So we're gonna apply this knowledge that we should already have, what I just covered, to composite figures. Okay? So a composite figure is a figure that has more than one shape. Okay? Either added together, or you can have a shape and then you remove some of it, or things like that. So we're gonna use this information to find my my final area of a certain shape. Okay? So a composite figure is a complex figure that is made up of two or more simple figures. Right? So that means it's like few simple figures put together to make a composite figure. Okay? Now, simple. So let's describe the simple figure that are combined to make the following figure at the bottom. So when you see this, what do you see? Rectangle.
Square. No, rectangle, trapezoid.
Trapezoid. Another trapezoid. And half of a circle. I see that. So I see half a circle, right? I see a rectangle, trapezoid, and another trapezoid. Okay? Now, when you're finding an area of a composite figure, you want to break the figures like I just did down into the simpler figures. You want to find the area of each figure, and then you want to put it all together. Okay? Sometimes, in this case, they're all added together, right? So you're adding the shapes together. But sometimes you'll have these shapes, and instead of adding half a circle right here, maybe they would do this. So it's like removing, you have the whole rectangle, but then they're removing half a circle from it. So in this case, instead of adding, you want to remove that, so you want to subtract that half a circle. Okay? So it's not always adding. Sometimes you're going to add, and then sometimes you're going to remove some things. So it's always. Okay, so let's look at. Okay, so let's look at the calculating the area of these different figures. So what I want you to do, you can get into groups of 2, 3, 4, whatever you guys want to do, and I want you to try to find the area of this composite figure by doing the area of each smaller figure, okay, and then adding them together. This is your job, this is your responsibility. So get together in groups and then find them. If you want to find the area of half a circle, what do you have to do? Find the area of the circle and divide by 2. Okay?